I'm nervous on the surface, I look fine. My brain feels heavy, my traumatized mind. And I'm so tired, I can't feel my eyes. Whoa, whoa. I'm petty, but I know how to lie. I feel feelings that I can't describe. I'm not breathing, but I'm still alive. Whoa, whoa. But I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. Why do I still have hope? So many days have passed. I wait around for things to change, but change has not come fast. I'm asking all the questions, but then I question them. Like, what's the point of living, existing when you can't see a God in flesh? I'm looking for the answers, they say to pray instead. I think I'll find them one day, but with a helping hand. I know that it's not easy, but I believe I will. Yeah, I'll get over all my fears and really conquer everything. I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got.
All right, what's up, guys? See, got a little different view. I got y'all on the back pole back here today, but hope you enjoyed that short little run. Of course, not a very big lake. It's only like 1,600 acres, but I'm gonna try to hook up with some stuff. Most of all, we're just gonna have fun, try to catch some supper. Dylan said bring fish back, so that's what we're gonna work on. Y'all hang out, hit the like button if you enjoy it, and let's get to catching some fish. The GoPro turned off, guys, but caught a little spotted bass. Pretty good spot. What, pound and a half? Guys, we got something big.
Straighten up and try to act right. Keep it on the road.
Check that out, y'all. Pretty large mouth. Oh yeah. See ya, dude. Little spotted bass. Crazy guy. See ya, dude. Well, y'all, you win some, you lose some, but it wasn't a crappie day for sure. But anyway, caught 3 bass, a good spot, decent largemouth, and then a that little spot right here at the end. But man, it's getting cold. I gotta run back to the ramp and get loaded up, get home. So I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. We failed on the crappie, but that's all right. Can't win them all. Anyway, beautiful afternoon out here on the lake. I'm gonna get back to the ramp and get to the house. Thank you guys for watching.